even during these pandemic times, it is glad to see and glad to know, like all the companies are achieving newer and greater and higher milestones. So I'm glad to announce the new set of winners for the successful fundraising categories. Miko, second place Shifu, third is Pixies. Congratulations to all.
Thanks a lot. Pixis is a one of its kind no-code AI platform which it allows you to deploy your AI in less than 8 seconds. And I would say in the modern cookieless world, every brand will have to deploy an AI as such because there won't be any kind of direct targeting. So you need an AI on premises which can learn and evolve from there. So I would say, and even if you look at the competitive horizon, we proudly are one of its kind globally. Even if you look at US, Europe, anywhere, we are one of its kind only company in this space right now. And the timing for the business is so right because and we pretty much anticipated it 3 years back that the world is transforming towards a cookieless age where things will every marketing function itself will disrupt. So brands will need something like this, and I would say the dream seems to be coming true, and the momentum which we're getting scaled up business fairly fast. And I would say thanks a lot to Chirate, and I would say the pivotal moment was when I met first Venkatesh and Sudhir, and I would say we've never met investors who've been so swift in terms of the decision making, so clear in terms of their thought process. And since then, I would say there was no looking back. And thanks a lot, Venkatesh, for like picking up phone call throughout the day whenever I called, and solving all the right from the most silly problems to I would say the tough ones. You've truly been a partner. Thanks a lot.